Welcome back to my home, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Trying to bring you cleaning, motivation, mom lifestyle, shopping hauls, decorating, a few around the home items, and maybe a do-it-yourself occasionally. If you enjoy that full-time parent stay-at-home motivation, or just a full-time just needing cleaning motivation even on the weekends, this could be the channel for you. So if you would greatly consider subscribing to the channel, hitting that notification bell, sharing, and commenting, that would be great. It would really help me to grow and bring more motivational content. With that being said, let's jump right into it and get started with the cleaning. So what is your cleaning style? You can comment down below. I know everyone is different when it comes to this. I know a lot of people like to wait till their house gets completely just in a mess and in a wreck before they decide to tackle it, especially if they have a lot of small kids and it's kind of an everyday occurrence. I'm not the kind of person that I let my house get completely in a mess before I start to clean. I like to keep it at a certain level of cleanliness every day and then do the deep cleaning on certain days. I know if you have a couple of small children, that could be different for you. I only have one small child, but I do like to try to keep the deep cleaning a couple times a week, and I do keep certain things every single day at a cleanliness level. That's just what I like to do. So how are you different? You can comment down below. I'm also a stay-at-home mom. If you worked full-time and only had cleaning for the weekends, I could definitely understand why you would do that. So let's comment down below.